Hey you guys, so I'm back with another video, and this video is sponsored by a company called MarchQueen. So as you can see, my package came via FedEx, and this is the box that it came in. Nothing fancy. They do not have their logo on the box. However, they did send a little goodie bag, and in that bag came 2 hair clips, which is perfect, some wig caps. I also believe I received some lashes. What else? What else, guys? What am I pulling out? All right, a nice pink comb and an elastic band for your wig in case you want to sew it on there. Also came with some bobby pins and a little pamphlet basically telling you what they offer on their site, so you can choose different hair types. So this is the wig that I received, you guys. This wig is fire. Okay, y'all, you guys saw the intro. You saw the intro. Now, this is a 360 wig. It does have combs. I believe there are 3 combs in the front, which I did not use any of them. And there's also a comb in the back, which I did use, along with adjustable straps. Okay, guys, like I always tell you, you always want to try on your wig before you cut the lace off, just to make sure your cap fits. So in case you want to send it back, if you don't like it for some strange reason, you can always send it back because you didn't cut the lace. So as I told you earlier, this is a full lace wig, so you can part it anywhere, and that's what I'm showing you right now. I did change my wig cap, you guys. I switched it out for a darker one closer to my complexion. And I noticed on the wig itself that the lace was rather light, so I just took my powder foundation and just put it all over the perimeter, and as you can see, it's now starting to melt into my skin before I go ahead and adhere it to my head. So I didn't want to wear this wig for no longer than about 2 days, so I went for oldie but goodie, which is my Got To Be Glued gel, and I also use my Got To Be Glued free spray to just, you know, adhere it to my head for just a couple of days, and it actually worked out perfect. I'm still wearing the wig today, and it's not going anywhere. So time for those adult hairs to be cut. Yes, adult hairs, because them just as long as fuck. So I'm just going in with my scissors and just making them shorter so, you know, we could create some smaller adult hairs.
Turn around and walk away is the easiest way, they say, but I don't wanna give us up. 'Cause to me, it will be the...
So now that we got those adult hairs nice and laid, it's time to style this hair. Now I have to say this, you guys, I was not expecting this styling process to be so smooth. I knew the hair was straight, but I didn't know how straight it was. As you can see, this wig is laying very flat on my head. You guys saw earlier how I adhered it, but when I took my Irresistible Me curling wand, as you guys can see, I thought I was gonna have, like, you know, a little bit of struggle to, you know, get that hump down, but I didn't. Like, this wig takes heat very well. I was gonna curl it, but I decided to keep it straight because I really like the way it looks bone straight. This wig is fire. I did not expect it to be so long. And oh, that was my wax stick, you guys, that you saw me putting on the parting space. Now, as you guys heard me say a few minutes ago that this wig is dumb long, it says 24 inches, but this is more like 30 inches, you guys. I'm only 5'2", and this is going way past my behind, but yeah, I'm not complaining. I love it. This is like some stripper hair, honey. Like, I absolutely love this hair. So as you guys can see, I'm just going in the parting space with my foundation, and I probably put a little bit too much, but it doesn't matter because that foundation actually fades after a while, so it did give it a more natural look the more I wore it. So that is it, you guys. That is it for this video. I absolutely love this wig. Thank you, March Queens, for sending it to me. They actually let me pick it out, and I love it. If you guys are interested, all of the links will be down below in the description box. And if you guys have any comments, questions, or whatever the case may be, just leave it down in the comment section, and you guys know I will get back to you. And on that note, I will talk to you all later. Bye. Thanks for watching.
I just wanna make things right.